This one is just an A4 piece of black card folded in half, and as a background card you can get luxurious. This one's a sequined cards already done, and I wanted to do a waterfall card by pulling up this, but I haven't stuck it down yet properly. But when you pull it, it's a waterfall, and then close it. It's a simple little waterfall card, but when it's stuck down properly, you pull out and it will open. That's another one, but luxurious cards, beautiful. But you could put messages inside and put I love you, or you are the apple of my eye, or anything you want. Anyway, it's another Valentine's card. Okay, happy Valentine's Day.